Hello, everyone, and welcome to Clair Astrology. I'm Clair, and today you're going to learn what it means to have Sagittarius Rising. If you have Sagittarius Rising, people will perceive you as friendly, outgoing, and optimistic. You exude warmth and generosity, and you are able to be flexible and go with the flow. You like to have fun and do adventurous things. You feel most alive when you are learning something from your experiences and are able to transform old beliefs into new philosophies. You benefit from travel immensely and from immersing yourself with different types of people. Generally, you are more extroverted than introverted, and you enjoy socializing to gain new perspectives and simply relax with your friends. Music moves you. You may be a frequent concert goer or simply like to have music on in the background at home. You are also a lifelong learner and need plenty of mental stimulation just as much as you need physical activity. You live your life as a never ending quest. A good quote for Sagittarius Rising comes from the movie The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. To see the world, things dangerous to come, to see behind walls, draw closer, to find each other, and to feel. That is the purpose of life. A Sagittarius rising believes that the more experiences you have, the wiser you will be. Things to guard against, if you have Sagittarius rising, are overextension of your time, your money, your resources, or your energy, overindulgence, poor judgment regarding people you can trust, and acting impulsively without considering long term consequences. To thrive, you need enough people and opportunities to expand your mental perceptions and enhance your spiritual life. Because you require a lot of freedom to be happy, it is important to be honest with others right up front in terms of how much you are willing to commit. And lastly, if you have Sagittarius rising, two of your best qualities are your open mindedness and your big heart. To live your best life, never stop seeking knowledge, keep variety alive, explore new terrain, and continue planning new adventures. Thank you for watching Sagittarius Rising. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up or subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.